Hey guys. Hey guys. As I speak now, it is Friday, and so I'm just waking up. And Tweety left me a sticky feather. I don't know where it went, but I was gonna be all like, you have a parrot when you get sticky feathers on you. They're those little white feathers. So I don't know where it floated off to, but maybe later on I'll see if I could find one somewhere laying around. I just discovered that it finally came. I feel like Sid from Toy Story.
It came! It finally came!
But anyways, this is Sammy's cage, and I'm gonna put it together today before I go to work later on tonight. Okay guys, I'm in my living room right now, and I'm going to open this package. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on putting it together. But first I gotta open the box. Let's box cutter. Alright, here we go, making some progress. Put this together. Princess is curious. It's okay, Princess. I'm just filming you. It's supposed to look like this, and I'm sorry if the words are backwards, but this was a $47 cage, so I mean, not that pricey. It's a pretty good price. We'll see if Sammy likes that. I'll read the instructions. Well, now I'm gonna put the cage together, which is the easy part. Oh yeah, and always wash your cage before putting anything on it or something like wise, and before putting your bird into, just in case if it has like particles or you never know. Like I'm talking with my birds, they're off camera right now. Sammy's right here, and Snowflake is right there. part together. Now to put the bottom part. Like I have mentioned before, always wash this before putting food or water and before your parrot gets down. You never know. Anyway, this is where you open the cage, or the bottom part. You can change the paper. I guess this cage is a little smaller than what I thought, but I did have a ruler and I did measure it for 19 inches. It was like, oh, you like the cage? Looks like I got to put the bottom part through. Okay. There we go. All nice and clean. Look, Sammy, here's your cage. Alright, I washed the sticks and the seed cups. I guess it's like whenever you buy new dishes, then, you know, you wouldn't be straight from it. So, wash it with soap. I used Dawn soap. Go ahead and put the sticks in the cage now. I guess one goes right here. And the other one goes on this side right here. I don't want to get in the way too much. There we go. Clean as a whistle. I don't get it. No, they don't fit long ways. They have to go this way. Now that I put the sticks in, this cage doesn't look small. Alright, so all I have to do is just put in the sticks and it will be so we'll see on where it goes from there. Sammy, you're gonna have a new home and it's gonna be way bigger than your little parrot. Hey, princess, you're curious? Oh, I'm sorry, Sammy. This is currently Sammy's cage. She's been in the little parakeet cage. Oh, my baby, you're so precious. I'm sorry. But yeah, she's been in the parakeet cage, and finally her bigger cage is in, so I'm hoping that she'll enjoy it. And I got her new toys and everything to fit in there. Excuse me. Now to put the bottom part together, which is going to be that challenge. Balls! This is the part where I'm going to need the instructions now. I honestly don't know how it goes. This is just one side. Parts. Looks like I'm gonna have to get the tools. I don't know if I look small, or if you all can hear me because the air conditioner is loud in here. I'm trying to scream at the top of my lungs. I'm actually real quiet. Hi, pretty Sammy. Are you ready for your cage? Yeah, it's pretty. Got it. I bit my nails off, so it's kind of hard to undo this. Here's a bag of all the tools. Alright, it comes with a little tool in there, so I'm in luck. Alright, let's get this going. Go ahead and undo these right here. And these are good ones. They're like factory size. I might be using this instead of the bread ones. There we go. Now it's 2 pieces separate. I'm gonna do this one now. All it shows is this right here. So I got the 2 little ones, the 2 big ones, that bottom part, and the screws right there. Or these are the wheels. That's the nut and screws. But it's like this final one right here. It's like, alright. I think I understand it. I just need it's gonna take some time to do it. Really slow, but I figured out it's easier to do it laying down. Where that piece went? Oh, here it is. This one. Sure that it's pretty tight, so it won't fall apart on anybody. Especially the bird. This way on both sides. They're really tight. I don't want this to fall apart on the Sammy. It's gonna be on the cage. I don't want anything to happen in there. I love you, Tweety. I like to talk to my birds a lot, so excuse me. Because I love my birds so much. Like, this side. Screw it on there. Alright, so this part's pretty tight. Now it's time to do down here now. Where are my fingers? Let's screw it on there. And then I'm going to use this tool right here, the L. Sorry if the fan's kind of annoying. Said I'm a budget person, so I don't have anything. I honestly don't know how long this took me, but I'm just putting it together right now. Nice and sturdy. So now I'm going to use these to tighten up the nuts right there. Alright guys, now it's time to put the wheels on Sammy's new bottom part cage. I guess I'll start with this. I guess anyone can go. I'll just put that in there. Aww. So Sammy was found at my mom's school, so I don't know. Sammy probably belonged to somebody else, so he knows these songs, but I don't know what he's singing. And I bought Sammy a cage because I didn't want him to be in that small parakeet cage. Found Sammy since they found Sammy since last Tuesday, so it's Friday of next week, so he's been in that same tiny parakeet cage for a weekend, like 3 days, a week and 3 days. Alright, so this is done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the baskets on here, which is this piece right here, which I'll put Sammy's food and all his toys and treats. I'm kind of excited for this part. Just need to align them in there. Then align these right here as well. There we go. Alright. Woo! Okay guys, we're in my room now, and please excuse the mess. This is what happens when you have parrots for roommates. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the Sammy's cage, the top part, on there and see how it works. And maybe I'll say like a little final review, but this is my first time using this, so I can't really say a review on it yet. And maybe after a week. Alright, moment of truth. There you have it. See right there, the wheels, there's the basket, and then here's the cage, and this is where this thing opens, and then here's the top where the latch is. Open it, then you go inside. Woohoo! But anyway, this thing's kind of hard to put. There you have it. And I'm probably gonna end up putting it in one corner of my room. Alright, I kind of moved some of the things over here to Sammy's new cage, which is, I moved the mirror, I moved the water feeder, and seeds right here. And she's got new food, and that one's empty for now. But I'm going to see if I can move her now over here on this side. And let her crawl in there on her own. There you go. Oh, hey. Do you want to go inside the cage? She'll go in through this way. You want to go in, Sammy? Oh, come on, pretty bird. Right, there she goes. There she goes. There she goes. Aw, pretty bird. Yes, that's a big cage for you. All right, Sammy went inside. And now it's time to close the door. Watch your tail, baby. Watch your tail. Watch your tail. There we go. So now she's out of this cage and she's in her new cage. Look at her. All right, Sammy. You're eating your new seeds. Pretty bird. Good girl. Or are you a boy? So you look. Sammy is really enjoying her new cage, or his new cage. I called him Sammy because it could be a boy or girl name. But anyway, yeah, I put paper, the mirror, the toys, the water, and the seed stick, and he likes to chew this little cactus right there, so I just put it upside down. Alright, are you happy, Sammy? Oh, baby. Yeah, you're a pretty bird. Alright, Sammy's exploring her new cage, or his new cage. So far, he seems content. Sammy ate a little bit of seeds. And now he's just looking. Hi, baby. These bars aren't too wide enough. Oh, pretty bird. I know, baby. Hopefully they're not too big. If they are, then I'm going to have to order another cage, which will take another long while. So, but I don't want to put Sammy back in that little parakeet cage. Uh-oh. What'd you do, Tweety? What'd you drop? Are you running away? But yeah, I don't wanna put Sammy back in that little parakeet cage. But I also don't want Sammy to be in danger either. So I'll be watching Sammy to see how this goes. Hopefully he'll do okay. But alright, guys. I'll see y'all next time, and I'll keep you updated about Sammy and see what happens from here, as in if Sammy finds his owners or her owners, how he does with the cage too. Alright, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Pretty bird. And now Tweety. Tweety, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, you're not gonna lift your foot? Okay.